Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your smart water leak sensor notifications with Flow by Moen step by step clearly. To restore your smart water leak sensor notifications with Flow by Moen, follow these steps. First, ensure that the Flow by Moen app is installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Look for the settings icon, typically located in the upper right corner. Tap on the settings icon to enter the settings menu. Scroll down to find the notifications section. Tap on notifications to access the notification settings. Here, you will see different categories of notifications. Locate the water leak sensor option. Make sure that notifications for the water leak sensor are enabled. If the notifications are turned off, toggle the switch to the on position. Next, check your phone's notification settings. Open the Settings app on your smartphone. Scroll down and select Apps or Applications. Find and select the Flow by Moen app from the list. In the app settings, tap on Notifications. Ensure that notifications for the Flow by Moen app are enabled. If they are turned off, toggle the switch to allow notifications. Now, return to the Flow by Moen app. Perform a test by simulating a leak with the smart water leak sensor. Place a small amount of water on the sensor. Wait for a moment to see if you receive a notification. If you do receive the notification, your setup is complete. If notifications are still not coming through, restart your smartphone. After restarting, open the Flow by Moen app again. Check the notification settings one more time. If everything looks correct, your notifications should now be restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.